Memories of the past, people and their former lives. Used to. She used to be a nurse. He used to be a pilot. He used to wear a hat. I used to be a lifeguard. She used to be a chef. She used to be a writer. You used to be a runner. We used to have a dog. He used to live in Paris. She used to be a teacher. He used to wear a watch. We used to go to the zoo. He used to have a beard. She used to ride horses. We used to have a garden. He used to wear glasses. He used to drive a red car. You used to love to draw. She used to be a ballerina. She used to be a ballerina. We used to go to the arcade. They used to have a farm. She used to be a librarian. You used to play the piano. He used to play the drums. She used to be a gymnast. You used to be a swimmer. She used to be a scientist. They used to have a boat. He used to wear a uniform. She used to be a musician. She used to love to dance. She used to collect stamps. You used to be a vegetarian. I used to read a lot of books. She used to play the guitar. She used to have long hair. He used to work as a chef. I used to take ballet lessons. He used to have a pet snake. We used to have a trampoline. He used to be a police officer. He used to listen to rock music. He used to wear a tie to work. You used to be a cheerleader. They used to have a book club. I used to be afraid of spiders. You used to be in a relationship. You used to be a soccer player. I used to have a crush on him. We used to watch TV together. We used to have a swing set. I used to take piano lessons. He used to have a mustache. He used to have a motorcycle. We used to have a treehouse. He used to smoke, but he quit. She used to be a social worker. They used to take dance lessons. You used to be a skateboarder. She used to be a flight attendant. We used to bake cookies together. You used to play the saxophone. She used to be afraid of the dark. They used to live in a small town. I used to study Spanish in college. You used to eat a lot of junk food. They used to go skiing every winter. You used to watch cartoons as a kid. I used to play basketball every day. The cat used to sleep on the couch. My grandparents used to travel a lot. You used to collect baseball cards. You used to ride your bike to school. We used to have a lemonade stand. You used to be a basketball player. You used to go on family vacations. We used to go on picnics in the park. They used to go fishing every summer. They used to have a vegetable garden. They used to go to the gym every day. They used to go to church every Sunday. They used to go to concerts all the time. They used to play video games all night. They used to go hiking in the mountains. We used to go camping every summer. He used to drink coffee in the morning. They used to have a pool in their backyard. We used to go to the park every weekend. He used to have a garden in the backyard. They used to go to the movies every Friday. They used to go to the beach every weekend. I used to watch soap operas with my grandma. We used to have a bird feeder in the backyard. We used to have a campfire in the backyard. They used to have a pool table in the basement. We used to go to the beach and collect seashells. We used to have a basketball hoop in the driveway. They used to have a tree house in the backyard. I used to have a part-time job at a coffee shop. Used to is a phrase that is followed by the base form of the verb, infinitive, and is used to express a habitual or repeated action that happened in the past but does not happen anymore.